have your ad, okay, that shows up on your Facebook feed. Okay, the potential insured looks at it. They click on your call to action, which is that little button that says learn more, get a quote, and there's some other options. They click on that, and then an intake form pulls up where you ask a few questions, or you said, Shauna, you can go to a landing page. What is a landing page?
Yes. Okay. Great question. So you know what? Do you want me to show you a quick little visual that will help maybe make it make sense?
Let's do it. Yeah. I'm going to add your screen to the stage. How about that?
This was not prepared to share today, so it might go into some stuff that we're not covering today, but I want you to at least have a visual of what this looks like. All right. So first, you set up the back end of the account, right? And then you have what's called the campaign. That's where all of the back end stuff that we're doing. Then we put an ad inside of the user's news feed. So while they're scrolling on their phone, and when they click on it, if we're using an instant form, a form that's already on Facebook, they click on it, that form is going to open up, they submit it and see a thank you page. So 2 brief examples. I got a lot of examples for ACA if we need to get into them later. We've got this one for ACA. We've got this one that is for Medicare. If the user clicks on this little learn more button right here, then it's going to give them a little welcome and let them know what's happening. Like, for example, if it's for a free consult, maybe you're offering a Medicare audit. Maybe you are offering a lead magnet, like a free guide of the deadlines you need to know before turning 65. Then they'll see this form right here. They'll submit the form, and then they'll see the little link to your privacy policy. And then just like that, they have become a lead. So if you wanted to, this guy right here, this is the form. You could actually have your ad run traffic to a landing page, something that you would create on your website, or Agent CRM has landing pages that are already made in there that if someone completes, it goes into the CRM. It's a little bit extra tech setup because you have to actually put a tracking little piece of code on your landing page, and then you have to put a little extra tracking piece of code on that thank you page that tells Facebook when this person submits the form, they have become a lead. And that is what you're looking to try to generate. So I'm seeing when you're using Facebook's form, you don't need any tech savviness. It's already there. It's set up. It's optimized. They limit already what you can ask in a special ad category. Like, you don't even have the option to ask for gender or birthday. Some agents, some agencies, some lead vendors are running it to a landing page, and they are still trying to collect all of the information. That is going to start getting flagged as we move along, ads rejected, and so on. So you want to make sure you're compliant, whether it is you're using the Facebook form or if you're actually using a landing page.
So Shauna, if somebody gets flagged, is that something similar to like going to Facebook jail?
It is. Now, what typically happens is they'll reject your ad. Then you could appeal it, or you can make a change if you're like, never mind, I did something wrong. But if you do that too many times, they will just shut down your ad account. And it used to be if Facebook shut down an ad account, you could instantly turn around and open up a new ad account.